is wet and the sun is not sunny. I know it is damp and the sidewalks are runny. What I can see,
Now you listen here, cat.
is one more there like that. I know some good games we can play.
Listen, cat.
I know some great tricks.
Listen, cat in the
Now I
hat.
know that your mother won't mind if I do.
Finley, you love Cat in the Hat?
To show them to you.
I'm warning you, cat.
Is it good?
The name is K. Crinklebutt. Ooh. Now, please go away. Tell that top-hatted cat he should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out.
My dear Mr. my tricks are quite safe. I invite you to join in the fun if you wish. In a game that I call...
Put me down! Put me down, you fool cat! Outrageous! Now let me repeat, and I don't like to shout, but he should not be here when your mother is out.
It's up to you, kids. Whatever you say. If you think me untrustworthy, send me away.
Well, he is getting the house sort of messy and dirty. And Mother...
Yeah, Mother. Back home at 3:30.
A vote of no confidence. I most humbly bow to the voice of the majority. Goodbye now. Off to Siberia. Somebody stole my moss-covered three-handled family Gradanza. Nobody's going to leave this room until I find it.
Pardon me, sir. You lost our moss-covered...
Three-handled family Gradanza. So, that's your attitude, eh? Feel it? There's a Gradanza sketcher in the house.
Finley.
Things will never